Okay, so let's talk about there with objects. There. Because there can be used with the be verb to talk about the nouns. The nouns, whether they're singular, plural, countable or uncountable. Nouns. So, we have there is or are, singular or plural, and then sentence. Okay, so there is a car, one, singular. There is a car, one. There is a pen, there's a pen. There is a car on the road. Rest of the sentence, the road. There is a car on the road. Very nice. There are two people. So two being plural, meaning more than one. Plural, two people in it. There's a car. There are two people in it. So look, be verb turns into is and are. Is for singular, are for plural. There is a car and there are two people in it. Okay. So far we have singular and plural people. There is some water. Now, water is uncountable. We can't really count how much water. So we say some. Some. There is some water. There is some water there. There is some water there. Some water there. Yeah. And then we have there are 3 bottles of water. So we have uncountable, some water, plenty of water, enough water. And with is, there is some water, uncountable. But with uncountable, we need a container. We need to put it in something. There are 3 bottles. 3 bottles. 3 bottles of water. 3 bottles of water. And it's the bottles we're counting. There are 3 bottles. Are for plural. Is for singular. There are 3 bottles of water in here. There are 3 bottles of water in here. Here. Very good. Yes, so we can use be with there to talk about objects. There is a car on the road. There are 2 people in it. There is some water there. There are 3 bottles of water in here. Very good. There is a cat on the road. There is a pen in my hand. Pen in my hand. Very good. Very good. Let's keep going.